Hello everyone, welcome to Cash 24 YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss about one high paying website. This is Russian website. This website name is evarb.net. Just look at my earning. This website earning 18.50 USD and just showing my auto board system. This is high paying and earn money just auto board. No need to hand or others, just open the board and the work automatically and earn your balance. Look at this is just Quora like board. Do you need Quora like board? You can contact with me or comments below. I will provide the website. You can buy the board and start making money evar.net. Okay, look at my main interface. Look at my earning and action made by total, and today earning 1.0180. This is my user activity graph. No problem, I will show my payment proof. Just three dot and withdraw fund. Okay, wait. Transaction history. Please look my transaction. First 7.0400 and second 6.5300. This is earning proof. This USD sent my peer wallet. Look at my peer wallet and this is my earning proof. Okay, I will show how to work in this site. Just manually browser extension with your Chrome browser, and other option you can buy the auto board Quora like boards. If you need, just comments below. I will provide the website. You can buy the board. Okay, look at my performance section. Task, a lots of task in this site. Traffic exchange Quora like, this is hot. Lots of task Quora like, Quora share, Quora followers, TikTok likes, Telegram and etc. You can earn more by affiliate program. Okay, look at the affiliate link. Earning level 10%, third person earning on task. This is my recent earning. Okay, viewers, you can earn more in this per day maximum 2 USD. This is proof 2 USD or 1.6080 something. It's depend on your device and internet connection. So best of luck, work in this site. This is full trusted. Okay, thank you for everyone.